Hey, travel enthusiasts! Today, I'm taking you on an unforgettable journey to one of the most incredible countries in the world, Italy. Grab your passports and your sense of adventure because we're diving deep into Italian food, culture, and so much more. First stop, Rome. Imagine standing in the Colosseum, the ancient arena that once hosted gladiator battles. Feel the history in every stone as you walk through the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient Roman public life. Don't forget to toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain to ensure your return to this magical city. Next, let's head north to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Art lovers, this is your paradise. Marvel at Michelangelo's David and soak in the breathtaking beauty of the Florence Cathedral. Wander through the Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces by Botticelli and Leonardo da Vinci. Now on to Venice, the city of canals. Glide through the waterways on a gondola, passing under charming bridges and alongside stunning architecture. Visit St. Mark's Basilica and take in the vibrant atmosphere of St. Mark's Square. Trust me, getting lost in Venice's narrow streets is half the fun. And of course, we can't talk about Italy without mentioning the food. Pizza in Naples, pasta in Bologna, and gelato everywhere. Each region has its own specialties, bursting with flavors that will make your taste buds dance. Enjoy a leisurely meal in a trattoria, paired with a glass of local wine, and savor every bite. Finally, no trip to Italy is complete without experiencing its rich culture and warm hospitality. Take part in local festivals, learn a few phrases in Italian, and connect with the locals. Their passion for life is infectious, and you'll leave feeling like you've gained a second family. So, are you ready to discover Italy? Let the adventure begin. Until next time, keep exploring and happy travels.